Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well. And I also hope you all have enjoyed the Deepavali holidays. Students, today I Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to continue lesson number 5. Lesson 5, Learning MS Excel 2010. We have already learned some topics of this chapter. Today, our topic is cell border. What is the cell border, students? This is the predefined border style. A cell border is a predefined cell border. Predefined cell style. Okay, means ये आपका cell है. This is your cell in the worksheet. If you want to insert a border around it, like this, I have to insert border around this cell. So this is the style for the border, okay, of the cell. What is the cell border? This is the style of border for this cell, like this. It can be quickly added around this cell or a range of cells. We have some steps to apply the border. Students, on the worksheet, first of all, we have to select a cell or a range of cells. Means आपको या तो cell select करना है या फिर आपको more than one cell select करना है, जिसको हम range कहते हैं. ठीक है, means where we have to apply the border. First of all, we have to select that place. So select the cell or range of cells. After it, we have to go to the home tab. All of you know, student, where is home tab in the computer? Click home tab and then find out the font group. Which group? Font group. In the font group, you have to click arrow next to the border command. Click arrow next to the border command. I will show you these places in your book also. Okay, as you click arrow next to the border, you get the list of borders. From that list, you have to select any one style. Means now select the border style from appeared list. As you select the border style from the appeared list, selected style will be appeared on the selected range. But students, if sometimes if design means we don't like the design from the appeared list, Then what we have to do? In the list or in the list we can click on more borders option. More borders ऑप्शन आपको क्या करना है, अगर आपको लिस्ट में डिज़ाइन पसंद नहीं आ रहे हैं तो इसी लिस्ट में सबसे लास्ट में मोर बॉर्डर्स ऑप्शन करके एक ऑप्शन होगा, आपको इसके ऊपर क्लिक करना है. Then format cell dialog box appears. Okay, in this dialog box you have to click on the border tab. Click border tab in the format cells dialog box, and from there you can change the line, style and color. Select the line, style, size and color of the and color. Clear to you? Now see all these steps in your book also. First of all, you have to select the range from the worksheet. This is the worksheet. Here you have to select the cells. After it, you have to go to the home tab. Students, this is home tab. Here you have to click. After it, in the home tab, find the font group. This is font group. Okay. In this group, you have to click on borders command. This is the borders command. As you click here, you get this list. From this list you can select any one border which you like from here. Okay. Selected border will be applied on the selected range, but sometimes if desired border is not available here, what we have to do, we have to click on more border option. This is at the bottom of this list. इस list के नीचे सबसे last में given है. As you will click there, you get the format cell dialog box. Okay, that is not given here, but I am telling you. From that dialog box you can change the line style, line size and line color, and then can apply the border design. Next topic is remove cell borders. To remove the border, again you have to go to the home tab, and before this you have to select the range. And then go to the home tab. Here you have to find font group. In the font group you have to click the arrow next to borders command. And from the appeared list you have to click on no border option. These steps you can see in your book. See students, you have to select the border which you have applied already. After that go to the home tab, and here in the font group click on the arrow next to the border command. Then this list appear. From this list you have to click on no border option. Next topic is cells style. With the help of this command, a style can be created. That includes custom border, colors, and formatting. Okay, now steps to apply the cell style. First of all, you have to go to the Home tab, then find out a styles group. In the styles group, you have to click the cell styles. From here, you can select different cell styles. Next is cell fill. What is the use of this command? This command is used to fill or remove color from cell. You have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to select the cells where you want to apply or remove a fill color option. Select the cells where you have to fill or remove the color. Clear? After it, go to the Home tab. In the Home tab, find the font group. Students, if you want to fill solid color, अगर आपको सॉलिड कलर फिल करना है तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको करना है कि यू हैव टू क्लिक द नेक्स्ट एरो नेक्स्ट टू द फिल कलर कमांड. क्लिक एरो नेक्स्ट टू द fill color command. Okay, and then you have to select, means you have to find theme colors and standard colors. Here you have to click the color. That you want to fill in your cell. Students, suppose you want to fill any color of your choice. What you have to do? You have to click arrow next to fill color. and then here from the appeared list you have to click on more colors. As you click on more colors, more color dialog box appear. From there you can select the color of your choice. Now from appeared color box, select the desired color. Students, see what is your homework. You have to write all fundas point and Clickypedia. जितने भी आपके चैप्टर में गिवन है ये सारे आपको अपनी नोटबुक्स में लिखने हैं, ठीक है. ये Clickypedia and funda points, all these you will write in your notebook like this. Clear? नंबर डालकर लिखने हैं कि नंबर 1 नंबर 2 like this funda. Okay, all these. This is the homework of today's class. Now thank you so much. Have a nice day.